Hey there and welcome back to another hack video at Hanalogs. Sharing with you some quick and efficient storage hacks for your favorite food items. So keep watching! As delicious as they are, apples can also be taking up a lot of space in your fridge. Storing them in these beautiful little pull-away baskets is a great tip for space saving. If you haven't started doing this already, then buy yourself one soon. It'll be handy to store away so many other fruits and vegetables, plus even lots of dry items. These baskets are very handy, plus they really look extremely organized when in your fridge. If you're already doing this, then high five! If you live in a hot and humid country, then not storing your spices in the fridge can be a problem. I store my masalas and spices in these closed boxes because these spices, especially cumin, coriander, garam masala, chaat masala, once exposed to moist weather, they attract lots of grub and insects, and hence storing them in the fridge is a great hack. It's also helpful to store tamarind in the fridge for the same reason. Don't forget to use a box with a lid because spices can attract odors as well as spread them. To prevent any infestation from little insects, I've also started storing my dry fruits in the refrigerator. This really extends their shelf life and keeps them fresh for longer. Well, that's it! I really hope you found my tips and hacks helpful and handy. If you did, then please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Stay safe, we'll see you next time.